Okay, so this is how I turn my pants into skirts. So you start at the bottom, and you're gonna cut all the way up to the top.
30 hertz straight up. Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
And then you're gonna cut along the seams down to the other leg and do the same thing.
Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
Now you turn everything inside out and line everything up together. Next, you're gonna grab the crotch area in the middle and pull it to the side. And I'm gonna do this again so you can see it.
Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
So once again, you're gonna line everything up and you're gonna grab the crotch in the middle and pull it to the side, creating a different shape for the pants. And it's gonna look like a skirt. Now you just line everything up. This right here is where you can add those pin cushion things to hold everything together, but I personally don't use them anymore. Next, you're gonna mark a straight line down. And you're gonna mark a straight line down on both sides. The reason you go straight down, ignoring the triangle parts, is so whenever it's finished being sewed up, there's not anything sticking out, and you'll see that later on. Now the pants are ready to be sewed, and so you're gonna start on the side that has no zipper, and you're gonna start at the very top where the pants start.
30 hertz straight up.
And you just start sewing straight down along the marker line. I personally like to use a zigzag stitch because it secures it more than the straight line stitch, the straight stitch. And so you just go all the way down along the pant seam, and whenever you get to that triangle part, the crotch part, you just keep following that marker line right past it, and you continue to go straight down.
Memorize 30 hertz straight up. Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
And now I'm just going back to the top to make another secure stitch so everything can be in place.
Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
Next, we move on to the side with the zipper. This side is a little bit different. You're not gonna start at the very top where the zipper and the button is. You're gonna go a little down past the zipper and start there. And you're just gonna go in a straight line again, avoiding the crotch area.
Memorize 30 hertz straight up.
My video cut out right there, but you just continue to go all the way down, and that's what the pants look like whenever it's done. And now you just turn it inside out, or you turn it to the right side and you try it on, and then you cut the extra fabric. And now I'm just gonna cut it a little bit shorter because that's my preference, and I'll just cut it in a straight line, and that's about it. And this is the final product. And I got these pants from a thrift store. They're originally from Fashion Nova though, I believe. And that's all. Thanks for watching.